Yeah, elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the 21st day of my 100 days of YouTube videos. So today I'm going to show you how to smell fresh all day and make sure your armpit is really clean. So yeah, so what you are going to need is a toner. This is the simple toner, and then you are going to need cotton pads, and also you need a moisturizer. And this is the Palmer's Skin Success Fade Milk, and you also need a deodorant. I'm using my Enchanter roll-on and my Shelly May Deluxe body spray deodorant. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to pour the toner on the cotton pad, and then you are just going to use it to wipe your armpits. This is going to remove any bacteria that's causing smell from your armpits. When I'm done using the toner and the toner is completely dried, I'm going to apply my moisturizer on my armpits. I applied too much, so I'm just applying the rest on my hand. And please always moisturize your armpit, and also know that sweat doesn't cause smell on your armpits. It is the bacteria in your armpits. So once that is completely dried, I'm going to apply my roll-on, which is my deodorant. Mind you, this roll-on has aluminum in it. Then I'm going to spray my Shelly May Deluxe body spray deodorant. Like, this deodorant smells so nice. I love the smell. So now you can see me roaming in my room. I'm waiting for the deodorant to dry so that I can show you the results. So yeah, this is the result. And yeah, so you can see my armpit is fresh and it smells so good, like so yum. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.